Hello friends, here is vintage logo and badge bundle with different format like Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, but these are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page and new thing is my store, Sheri SK Shopping Hub. So you can download anything without password, but you need first membership. Okay. Here is many things: premium unlimited mega data, and you see, you can download, but first you need membership, then you have access of any file. Okay, for example, here is Imperial, and next is backgrounds, you see, and next is banners, flares. Here is video templates, premium software, Windows, PHP script, Android, WordPress themes and many other files like AI chat GPT. You can chat with the AI, that's mean artificial intelligence. So here is our file. Here is 4 different format you can edit in or customize in Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. For example, open this one in Photoshop. I know you know how to customize logo. Just a basic thing. Here is font. You need font. Click here and download font here free. Oh, sorry. While sorry, wheel. Okay, you can change. Here is pipe. Double click here, and here is long line, short line, and a ribbon. Last ribbon, pink color. There you can edit, and you need fonts for edit text. Okay, next, any other file like this one, open in Photoshop. Same thing here, all files are editable. Yes, you need font for edit text. Okay, same thing here. Oh, I have already opened. Double click here and can you change color? This one, depend your own choice. Okay, open this one, Video Maker 2008. You can write or customize your own thing. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app or password, and subscribe this for